Say what's up, baby. Give me the deuces. See my husband. Huh? Right.
See shit on somebody else's land while getting paid. Keyword, while getting paid.
Yeah, right. By getting what? Paid.
City's big. World's bigger than one city.
You silly.
I live in every city.
Every city.
No sleep. Yesterday I went to sleep in Baltimore.
No, the worst city is fucking Maryland by far. Motherfucker had toes for years. I was sleepy and I was tired and I wasn't feeling good, so I had to get to record it. But that shit was crazy.
DC ain't shit.
Ain't shit. Oh my god.
If you ain't get to go on that field trip and middle school, I have some believe and shit.
Our Pennsylvania.
Yeah, Pennsylvania and shit.
Pittsburgh, if you like traffic, that's where to go. That in Atlanta so far.
Delaware is beautiful.
If I see South Carolina one more time, I'm gonna puke. Our Nashville.
Man.
I like Nashville, but I'm tired of seeing it now.